Okay, welcome. This is the Year 1 AS textbook. It's chapter 13, mixed exercise, question 20 on integration. Okay, now this is a slightly unusual problem because it's a bit more algebraic than some, but it's nevertheless quite straightforward. So we have to find the possible values of A given that this integration is equal to a squared. Okay, so I'm going to start by working out what that integration comes to. Okay, so we have the integral between the limits of 9 and 4 of 3x to the negative a half, okay, minus a, all right, with respect to x. Now, if we evaluate that further, we raise the power by 1 and divide by the new power, so we're dividing by a half, which is timesing by 2, so we're going to get 6x to the half, okay, or 6 root x, and we're also going to get minus ax. Okay, and that's going to be between the limits of 9 and 4. All right, well, if we take those limits and put them into substitution, we get in the first case 6 times 9 to the half, which is 3, the root of 9, okay, minus a times 9, which is 9a, okay, and then we subtract the substitution with the 4, which is going to give us 6 times root 4, which is 6 times 2, okay, all this needs to be in a bracket here, 6 times 2, and from that we've got to take away 4a, okay, so when we simplify that, we obviously get here 18, take away 9a, take away 12, and of course it's going to be plus 4a. Okay, and we're also told that all of that is equal to a squared. So it looks like we're having a quadratic here in a squared. So if I just move everything across to the other side, that gives me that a squared. Okay, now what have I got here? I've got to take away 4a and add 9a, so I've got a squared plus 5a, okay, and then I've also got 18 and minus 12, which is 6, okay, but I've got to take that from the other side, so it's minus 6, okay, and that equals 0. So hopefully this quadratic will factorize fairly simply, and we can see that we would have a and a in there, and we're looking for the factors of minus 6 that add up to plus 5. So it's going to be 6 and negative 1. So it's going to be a plus 6 and a minus 1 equals 0. And the resulting solutions, therefore, are that a equals negative 6, okay, or a equals 1. Okay, and that concludes that question.